Hello guys, so today I want to install LUMARY, and it's 6 stakes and it's LED lights. The between lights is like 8 feet or something, so it's in total it's 56 feet length, and it's waterproof, 6-pack, and it's for outdoor, so outside raining and all this stuff. So let me pull out what do we have here. Packaging. Oh, it's actually metal, so it's metal stakes. I'm surprised. Lightweight, probably aluminum too. Pretty long size. Let's put it back. Okay, so here's 6 lights. Controller. Here is one of the outlets. Another one. Here's a power source connector. And bunch of lights. So okay, so each of this stake have a female and male. Okay, female and male. So okay, and we have a menu. Menu. It's like on a PC, on a personal computer. It shows you how to install it, how connect to the app, because I saw in a review there is so many crazy options, and I think that you can hook on this line, I think like 12 maximum. I'm not sure, but got to read it. But I was going to the Amazon for a while to find a good set, because this one is not a plastic. It's not plastic. It's everything is aluminum. Let's hook one of those stakes, just like so. Bam, and we're good to go. Nice black color. Okay, 6 of them. I have on my backyard, on a background, 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's supposed to be 5 of those like Christmas tree or something. I don't know why, but 2 of them, one of it is completely dead, and this one fighting for its life. So I will make a few of the clips, those things like right before the trees, right beside trees, and behind the trees. I think behind trees will looks better. I think so, but it's either on the sides of tree or behind tree. I'll see what will work for my case. I'll show you. This is how it should looks like. I don't know if you got focus there or not. Yeah. So this is it. So let's go ahead and do the power cord first. So from power goes to right here, and this is only one way. It's it's only one way in. Just like so, tight. Everything is waterproof, and the other end it goes to one of these ones, connected. Other one goes to the other light and goes on and on and on. So let's go ahead and I will install it there. I already installed few, just roughly, and I'm doing it from the back going towards the front where the power supply. So there is a one of it, only have one wire, so this is gonna be end of it. So get those small ties on, get the aluminum stake, connect to aluminum body of the light. Easy install. Connect with your other lights. And it's gonna be only one way, so you will not mess up. Just like so, and stick it in, just like so. And let's work in that way. Install it, test it, and enjoying it. Okay, so it's getting dark. I install all those 6 stakes. Let's put the power on. Okay, so this is just basic mode. Looks already nice. Okay, so this was a little show, and when it will get dark I will make more of the other type of views, like behind the trees, like in the front of trees and all this stuff. So this looks really good. yes, it's a little bit pricey, but compared to other brands, it's in a good K category, and the quality is really nice. The only time will show it, but I'm very happy. Yeah, for 6 of them, and I have like other spots that I wanna install something similar, or maybe same thing, and but I definitely like it. Yeah. Let's wait till the really dark.
Mul on pohhui, mä ei tahaki midagi teha. Mind ei huvitagi need kenad, naised nende kuumad kehad. Ma ei tahagi midagi teha, ma ei tahagi seda, ma ei tahagi teda, ei taha rahagi enam. See on paganlik teema, tahan vaid et viit peksaks tõmmata alati segast. Tõmmata alati segast. Nihilistlik fantaasia, 100% apaatia. Eluteel on olnud saatja, kui tulen mööda teed, olen maalt ja hobusega. Tulen suure kogusega, aga selles peitubki ju kogu teema. See on koorem, mida vean, seda vedama ju pean. Kui kõnnin üksi enamuse seas, aga kui see pole armastus või muusika, siis ütlen ausalt, mind ei huvita, telekat ei vaata, uudiseid ei uudista ja täiesti savi, kui pole minu uudist sa. Või kas üldse minust kuulsid sa? Mu ümber anonüümsed huulid sa ja mina iga teine tundmatu nende seas. Haiged mõtted peas. Mind ei huvita, telekat ei vaata, uudiseid ei uudista ja täiesti savi, kui pole minu uudist sa. Või kas üldse minust kuulsid sa? Mu ümber anonüümsed huulid sa ja mina iga teine tundmatu nende seas. Haiged mõtted peas. Pohhui, ma ei tahagi midagi teha, mind ei huvitagi need kenad, naised nende kuumad kehad. Ma ei tahagi midagi teha, ma ei tahagi seda, ma ei tahagi teda, ei taha rahagi enam. See on paganlik teema, tahan vaid et viit